Are you tired of filling out A3 templates after having completed an improvement project? Do you want to have a professional document that can be completed in real time with coaching feedback? Well, Miro might be the solution you're looking for. Let's look at how we can use Miro in our problem-solving process. Step 1. Brainstorm the problem statement and scope of the problem. Within our A3 template in Miro, we have created a section for doing this. Step 2. Brainstorm causes and assign actions for team members to investigate. Miro provides fishbone diagrams and action plans to facilitate this, and we have integrated these into our A3 template. Step 3. Brainstorm countermeasures and assign actions to test the solutions. Miro provides templates for this purpose as well. Step 4. Gain consensus on the finalized countermeasures and develop an action plan in Miro. This helps to ensure that everyone is on the same page and the plan is actionable. Step 5. Document the follow-up plan and continue monitoring your key metric. This helps to ensure that the process remains in control and allows you to make adjustments if needed. And there you have it. Using Miro for A3 problem solving can make your lean workshops more efficient and less wasteful. Don't believe me? Try it out for yourself. Click the link in the description to sign up for a free account today.